Hi, Steve from Bamber sewing machines in Manchester. Okay, so as a sewing machine dealer, one of the questions that I get asked just all the time is, what's the best machine? Now, in a way, it's an impossible question to answer because it depends what you want to use it for. But a little while ago, I did a video on which was the best beginner's machine. Now, a variation on that is I get people that say to me, look, I've been sewing for ages, I've had a few machines, but now I want a much better machine. I want a quality machine that it's not got millions of stitches. I don't want to do quilting, I don't want a long arm machine specifically. I'm not interested in frame embroidery. I just want a sewing machine for dressmaking, for alterations, for soft furnishing, that's just a great quality machine that will just come out, I can use it, I don't have to mess with the tension, and the thing just lasts. Well, in that case, it's dead easy. It's the Bernina B325. Now, I'm not going to show you loads of stuff on it. I'm just going to show you a couple of basic, straightforward things that we think makes it a great machine. Okay. One of the things that you can tell a machine that's got great stitch quality is what the satin stitches are. Okay, now how square and uniform and dense that is. That's really very, very good. I'm going to put the machine on straight stitch and get a piece of denim. It's not flimsy denim, this, it's thick, stiff stuff. I fold it over 2 thicknesses onto 4 thicknesses, and I'm just going to sew down that to hold it together. Okay, now I'm going to fold it back over to make it 8 thicknesses, which in itself it's not easy to hold it into 8 thicknesses actually, because it's stiff stuff. Okay, now I'm going to sew slowly as well. I'm going to start off at the minimum speed now, so you can see a lot of machines going through 8 thicknesses of denim would hesitate and vibrate. Now there's no hesitation now in the needle bar, and it's very quiet and smooth. Okay, I'm going to speed up. I'm going to run off that 8 thicknesses of denim onto a single thickness of organza. Now I didn't adjust the stitch, the tension, anything at all. The tension on the single organza is good. On the 8 layers of denim is good. It's a top quality machine that you can have. It will sew anything. It won't cause you any problems. You get it brand new in a box with a 7-year full parts and labour warranty. £749. It's the best machine no nonsense, sew anything. Okay, see you soon. Thanks for watching. Steve from Bamber Sewing Machines.